In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Typeform survey from scratch. We'll go from a blank browser window to a shareable form link and embed code, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by opening your web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter. When the site loads, log into your account. If you already have an account, just use your usual login method. Once you're in, look for the Create button and choose New Typeform. This sets up a fresh form where you can add all your questions. You'll see an option to add content. Click the plus sign to open the question picker. Here, choose the question type that best matches what you're trying to collect. Short text is great for quick, open-ended answers. Multiple choice is perfect when you want respondents to pick from a set of options. You'll also see other formats that can help you structure your survey, but stick to the types that directly match your goals so the form stays clean and easy to complete. After selecting the question type, type your question clearly and concisely. If you're using multiple choice, add your options with straightforward wording so people don't get confused. Keep your language consistent and make sure each question focuses on a single idea to avoid mixed answers. When you're ready to add the next question, click Add New Question and repeat the process for every item you need. It can help to draft your questions beforehand so you know the exact order and avoid going back and forth. Continue adding content until your form includes everything you want to ask. Before sharing, open the Settings menu and go to Access and Scheduling. Find the toggle labeled Open this form to new responses and turn it on. This ensures your form is accepting responses and that nobody hits a closed survey. If you're planning a specific start or end time for your form, this is also where you'll control availability. But the key step is making sure responses are turned on. When your form is ready, click Share. You'll see options to copy a direct link, which you can paste into emails, chats, or social posts, or grab the embed code if you want to place the form directly on a website. Copy whichever works best for your use case, and you're good to go. That's all you need to create and share a Typeform quickly and confidently.